What's going on, boaters? We are on a fresh new trade, a 2007 Four Winns 224 Funship. You're gonna see why in a little bit. Let's check out some features. Starting off in the back, you have a nice big swim platform. You're gonna have a bench to sit in while you're hanging out, swimming, doing all the water activities. You have a washdown system here in the back, so you can spray down the boat, spray off the platform. You also have your clear and audio controls back here. Coming into the boat, you have a transom walkthrough, so you're not stepping on the seats, but you also have your cushions to go over there, so you can make it a full wraparound couch. You have your in-seat cup holders and speakers. You're gonna have your co-captain and captain's chair, both with bolsters. You also have a private head on this boat with a toilet and storage in there as well. Lots of storage underneath the helm too for life jackets, bags, whatever you don't want out. Coming into the front, you're gonna have a sink, a spot for garbage, and a huge bow so you can hang out all day long up here, super comfortable. And then you also are gonna have another second wash down up here, so it makes it easy to spray off the boat up here as well. And then your bow ladder, so you can get on and off the boat nice and easy, whether you're coming in from the front or the back. You're gonna wanna come check out this boat at MarineMax Crosslake or visit it on our website at marinemax.com. Let's get you on the fun ship this summer.